Today we're going to be going over Virgin Galactic stock and some news that just came out about it. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many shares of Virgin Galactic you are holding, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys want to start trading or investing in Virgin Galactic stock now, all you have to do is use the first link in the description, get signed up with WeBull, and deposit $5 and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. But with all that out of the way, let's get straight into our stock for today, Virgin Galactic. So first off, I want to go over all the activity that has been going on with Virgin Galactic real quick. So I'm going to come here to WSBtrackers.com. That is going to be how you can actually track how many times a certain stock is being talked about on Wall Street Bets. So if you could take a look here on 7-Eleven, these results aren't way too accurate. They are usually, lagged by about an hour or two. But AMC is obviously being talked about the most because everyone just likes AMC. And then Space is actually, or Virgin Galactic, the stock we're talking about today, is at 14% compared to 7% yesterday. So talk around Virgin Galactic is definitely ramping up right now. And then we could also see right here on StockTwits, you can see that Space is actually the most active stock in StockTwits. StockTwits is basically a kind of platform where people talk about different stocks that they like and just discuss the stock in general. And they have the most comments or responses at 10,000 in the last 24 hours compared to AMC. They have double AMC's numbers of how many messages went through in the last 24 hours. So Space or Virgin Galactic is one of the most hyped stocks right now, and it was just down 6% the other day or on Friday. So I'm expecting a very good open with the news that we're getting today, and we can get into that now. So here we go. Here we are on bazinga.com, and we actually have an article that just came out like right now, and it's called Richard Branson Traveled to the Edge of Space. Here's how you can get a future ticket with a $5 donation. So obviously Richard Branson, we talked about in our video yesterday. Actually that video blew up. It had about 2,000 views in about 3 hours. It's very good for us. And we talked about how Richard Branson would be going into space, and he did that successfully today. So I expect that to be a huge catalyst come Monday morning. It was successful, everything went well, and Virgin Galactic stock was down 6% yesterday. So I'm expecting a lot of upside today with Virgin Galactic stock. Now, something that we do have to consider here is that there could be a selling the news by the hype type of thing going on with Space. But basically, when it was announced that Richard Branson would be going to space on this date, obviously Space just went, parabolic. They went from like $45 all the way up to $60, and they traveled back down, and now sitting at I believe $46. I'm not even quite certain at the moment. But they did go, very parabolic. But the reason that I'm not too worried about it, because this is usually what happens. People buy the rumor, and then they sell the news. So as soon as the actual thing happens that was talked about before, people sell off. And that very well could happen. But the reason I don't think that is going to happen is because they actually announced something pretty cool. So if we take a look here, you can see that Sir Richard Branson, I don't know why they say sir, but maybe it's because he's a billionaire, I don't know, successfully flew in space as a passenger on the Unity 22 from Virgin Galactic. The flight was the fourth crew trip by the company, and another step in taking 600 future astronauts that will pay anywhere from $200,000 to $250,000 for a seat to space. So people have already bought these tickets. I believe they have already bought these tickets. And basically, yeah, if you want to go to space, you're gonna have to pay anywhere from $200,000 to $250,000. So basically, the normal person probably not going to be able to do this for a while. But there is a way that you could go to space with the thing that they just announced. So here you can see winning a seat on a future flight. On Sunday, Branson announced a partnership with Omaze that will raise money for charity and give 2 tickets away for a future Virgin Galactic flight. So yes, Richard Branson announced a partnership with Omaze, and Omaze has a mission to raise about $1 billion annually for charity and has participated in several unique fundraising events. And basically, they want to get a couple of people up there in order up to space in order to raise money for charity. Until now, most people could only dream of venturing beyond Earth. Now we are incredibly excited to team up with Sir Richard Branson to give 2 everyday citizens a chance of going to space. So yeah, basically a winner and a guest that the winner picks are expected to be on a flight in early 2022. Virgin Galactic and Omaze list the appraised retail value at about $510,000. So yeah, about 6 million people watched the YouTube video of the flight that Richard Branson was on. An auction winner paid $28 million for a seat on the rival of Virgin Galactic, which is Blue Origin, and that is ran by none other than Jeff Bezos. But yeah, in order to win this, if you guys want to go to space, you're gonna have to, from August 31st, or from now until August 31st, you're gonna have to donate actually to Omaze. And this is what the pricing levels are: 50 entries for $5, 2,000 entries for $100, and you can only get up to 6,000 entries, I believe, or. Yeah, 6,000 entries. So the most you can pay is $300 for 6,000 entries. So if you guys want a chance to go to space, you can do that. I'm not going to tell you whether you should or you shouldn't. But yeah, now let's quickly go over a little technical analysis on what you should be expecting today. So this video is being filmed on Sunday, but it's going to be coming out Monday morning when the market will already be open. So you already know the conditions that I'm going to be talking about here. So obviously space bottomed out at about $15 after having a big run up earlier that year, all the way up to about $60, bottomed out at about $15, and then made a run back up on the hype of just everything happening with Virgin Galactic. Obviously we're at about $40, and then it was announced that Richard Branson would be going on this flight, and then it went all the way up to about $57 that day, and we reached lows of 43 once again. But then over the past couple of days, everyone saw the hype that was coming with Richard Branson actually going to space, so we went all the way up to about $52. Now we ended the day yesterday honestly on a downward trend. We do have support at about $43, and that's what I want to be watching for tomorrow. If you guys are invested in space, make sure that if this really is a sell the news type of thing, make sure that we hold support at $43, and if it goes below $43, it might be a little bit too late, and we could be in just another bearish trend. But if it is to go above the $53-ish level, we could be returning all the way up to $60. So just make sure if you're watching tomorrow and everything's selling off, make sure it doesn't go below 43, or else we could be in a pretty big bearish trend all the way down to $33. If we break the resistance at $57, we could be seeing anywhere from $60 to $65 tomorrow, or the day that you're watching this. But yeah, let's see how much volume there is tomorrow morning. I'm expecting a lot of volume, and I'm expecting it to open in the green and have a huge spike and then go down throughout the day. So if you guys are trading this, make sure to scalp. But I'm not a financial advisor. I can't really tell you what to do with your money. So yeah, if you guys want 2 free stocks, make sure you get those free stocks from WeBull in the description down below. First link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $5. If you guys did find this interesting, make sure you comment how many shares of Virgin Galactic you have or want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe, as it really helps with our channel. But yeah, my name is Zach. I'll see you in the next video.